Yeah, I just wanted to give a testimonial for Sam Karlin's Empower group and for her coursework. It was a really great experience. I joined the Empower group. I joined my cohort right at a time when I was starting a new initiative for my business. Actually, a significant change of pace for what from what I had been doing, and I really wanted the input of a lot of other people, professional women in particular, and some good ideas to help me get past my own discomfort at starting something new. And during the course, I was able to work with sort of my business partner to write a book and to put together a promotional plan for that book and to really start to do the research necessary to make a go of this new initiative. So I don't think any of that would have been, it might have been possible, but it would have been a lot harder without the ideas, the thoughts, the creative input, and the support of all the women in the class. And I think Sam really knows what she's doing in terms of providing good support as well as good motivation to kind of keep moving forward. So I really enjoyed the class and I really recommend it to any professional woman or even someone who just has a very specific wish, something that you want to accomplish, and are just sort of looking for what's the way to move forward here. You'll get a lot of good ideas from the Empower Group.